Hello people, welcome back to this channel. So today we will talk about CapCut, and I would like to show you the way how you can sync your CapCut project from mobile phone into your PC or personal computer. So you just need to open your CapCut application. Now you just need to visit the profile section by go click this me here, go click it. And now this is the account that you have for doing all of the project on your mobile phone. Make sure you remember about the username as well as the passcode of this account. Now you just need to go back into this edit section, and you just need to go pick the project that you want to transfer into your personal computer. So let's say here I want to transfer this project. So you just need to go click this three small dot into the project, and then you just need to go click upload to space, and then you just need to go pick the folder that you want to place this project and go click upload. Now you just need to go check the progress of the uploading process. Okay, wait until like 100%, and whenever it's uploaded, now you just need to go back and open your personal computer. Now open the CapCut and log in with the account that you use for this mobile phone's CapCut. So you can just visit them, and you just need to go click and download the project that you just sent and transfer into your CapCut space. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.